Well, Aberdulais Tinworks and Waterfall is one of the oldest industrial sites in Britain. 450 years of exploration of an industrial revolution. Well, we're at the foot of the Neath Valley in South Wales, about 40 miles west of Cardiff, and it's an industrial heritage site. It's not a typical National Trust property, it's industrial heritage, which tells the story of how various industries over a period of 400 years or more have used this spot because of the waterfall and an abundance of timber and coal to generate power. So what we have here, first and foremost, is the river and the waterfall. It's a flash flood river, and when it's in full spate, it is absolutely genuinely awesome. And we've tagged onto that the water wheel, which is, we take water from the river to drive the wheel to generate electricity, just as they did 150 years ago. One of the things we do here to bring the place alive for families particularly is we hold events, and we try to make those events relevant to what we do here. So today we're telling the story of Dorothy and the TinMan, the making of the TinMan particularly, and so that's why we're dressed like this. And if you look around, you'll probably see most of the characters popping up from time to time, who knows where.
Hello, and my name's Glinda, and I'm the Good Witch from the Wizard of Oz story. Today we've got a really special event going on at Aberdulais Falls. It's called Dorothy and the Making of the TinMan. We've got lots and lots of really fun activities going on today. First of all, you can go into the stables where they used to keep the horses here and decorate munchkin cakes. You can make your very own Glinda wand. Then you can go over to the marquee and make scarecrows. You can also make tin men there. And there's also some face painting. Well, something that's been extremely popular today is our Dorothy quiz trail. The children with their parents go around the site, answer questions, all about the tin plate works, and this really helps them to understand how tin plate was made, but in a really fun, enjoyable way.
There's a wealth of things here for children and families to explore, and the greatest thing I think for us is when we see the smiles on the children's faces as they go out, and the mum says to me, "I never realised there was so much here to see."